Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to see Instagram insights from Meta Business Suite. If you want to see the insights of your Meta Business Suite, including your Instagram or your Facebook, then I'll show you the easiest way to do it. So first, we just have to simply go to your Meta Business Suite and you will be onto its homepage. At that page, you can see we have a lot of different options. First, you have to make sure that your Instagram is connected here. You can see these logo, that means it is connected. Now, along with that Instagram logo on the right, you can see we have this arrow. You have to click onto it, and these will be the insights. You can check out some of them here, but if you want to see all of them, like deeply, you want to study insights, you can click on to view insights, and after that, it will take you to this page. Now, there we have the insights in detailed. You can check out. First, we have the overview. It explain like first of all the plan and what are the performances regarding content and other stuff. Also the recommendations. So you can check out all of them. Then on the left side, we also have the plan. You can just simply get it in detail. We have the audience and there are different options you can check. So whatever option you want to know or may be interested in, you can just simply click onto it and you will get its detailed information. It will be helpful for you to understand how your marketing is doing, where you have to work and which part is weak, so you can just simply work according to it. So that's how you can find the insights of Instagram on Business Meta Suite. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you haven't subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask in the comment section below. Also remember to click onto the bell icon button so whenever a new video gets published, you can get notified. Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.